when we're repurchasing shares, if we're purchasing substantial amounts, we're going to spend a lot more on the Class B than the Class A, just because the trading volume is considerably higher. We may, from time to time, well, we got offered a couple blocks in history, going back in history, from the Yolshi estate, and when we had a transaction exchanging our Washington Post stock for both a television station and shares held by the Washington Post. So we may see some blocks of A, we may see some blocks of B, but there's no question, if we are able to spend 25, 50, or $100 billion in repurchasing shares, more of the money is almost certainly going to be spent on the B than the A. There's no master plan on that other than to buy aggressively when we like the price. And as I say, the trading volume in the B is just a lot higher than the A in dollar amounts. Charlie?
I don't think we care much which class we buy.
Yeah. We would like, we really want the stock, ideally, if we could do it, if we were small. Once a year we'd have a price, and we'd do it like a private company, and it would be a fair price, and people who wanted to get out could get out. And if other people wanted to buy their interest, fine, and if they didn't and we thought the price was fair, we'd have the company repurchase it. We can't do that. We don't want the stock to be either significantly underpriced or significantly overpriced, and we're probably unique on the overpriced part of it, but we don't want it. I do not want the stock selling at twice as what it's worth, because I'm going to disappoint people. We can't make it. There's no magic formula to make a stock worth what it's selling for if it sells for way too much. From a commercial standpoint, if it's selling very cheap, we have to like it and we repurchase it. But ideally, we would hope the stock would sell in a range that more or less is its intrinsic value, business value. We have no desire to hype it in any way, and we have no desire to depress it so we can repurchase it cheap. But the nature of markets is that things get overpriced and they get underpriced, and we will, if it's underpriced, we'll take advantage of it.